अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मोहम्मद ताहिर और आप लोग बायोलॉजिकल पॉइंट विद ताहिर साहब के देख रहे हैं। बायोलॉजी के एक और लेक्चर के साथ आप लोगों की खिदमत में हाजिर हुआ हूं और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे मसल के बारे में। मसल को डिस्कस करेंगे। और अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें और मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह के आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के टॉपिक को, जो कि हमारे पास मसल है। In this video, we will discuss about the mechanism, how muscles, how nervous system connect to different parts of body. Ultimately, a large number of tissues are involved in these tissue. Muscle tissues are one of them. Nerves act on muscles to move body and control bodily functions. Like there are different types of muscles, like skeletal muscle, usually attached to bone, cause voluntary movement. In that case, voluntary movement means the movement that can be controlled. Smooth muscles found in hollow organ causes involuntary muscles. Smooth muscles is also a type of muscles that are connected with involuntary movement. We can say it involve in involuntary movement, that type of movement which cannot be controlled by self. And the third one is cardiac muscles, found only in heart and cause the heart to beat. It is present only in heart muscles. So, smooth muscles tissue. What is smooth muscles tissue in this slide? Not under voluntary control. We can say smooth muscles are not in voluntary control, that cannot be controlled by self. Found in stomach, intestine, and blood vessels. And all of these organs work involuntary in human body because human body cannot control these type of organs. Also, your diagram the muscles which cause your lungs to expand and contract. In this pectoral view, we can see the smooth muscles in their shape. What is skeletal muscle? Skeletal muscle is another type of muscle. Skeletal muscle are called striated muscles because they are a collection of muscle fibers or cells. There are multiple fibers are present in these muscles. In that image, we can see the presence, the existence of fibers that are present in muscles like that. Skeletal muscle are very large and complex, from 1 millimeter to 30 centimeter long, and have many nuclei. So we can say multinuclei are present in these cells. How do skeletal muscle work? Muscle do their work when they contract. That's why each muscles in your body has two sets. One to contract your arm or leg is in one direction, and other type of muscles or other pair of muscle to contract and move it back. We can say our muscular system totally work based on antagonistic mechanism. In pectoral view, we can see here bicep muscles and tricep muscles. They act against each other. When bicep contract, tricep relax. When tricep contract, bicep relax. That mechanism is called antagonistic. But in each order of muscles to contract, special step to happen inside each cells. So inside muscles. So now we see the anatomy, the internal structures of muscle cells. Inside of muscle cells, they are filament thin and thick made of protein. Like different type of protein are present. The thin filament is called actin, that is also a protein. The thick filament is called myosin, is also a protein. And myosin grip the actin and pull it when the muscle contract. In that pectoral view, we can see the muscles anatomy here. Z-line area, A band, H zone, I band, and these are the attachment of proteins with calcium ion. You can see here easily. Cardiac muscles. Recently, we discussed about that cardiac muscles are only present in heart muscles. Like that, cardiac muscles is heart muscles striated but involuntary that cannot be controlled by human being itself. Always working, they cannot be stopped a single while. It work throughout the life of a human being. All heart muscles shall have to contract at once. So small patch on heart tell the cardiac muscles to contract. Skeletal system muscles cannot cause movement without something to pull on. Function of skeletal muscle, they perform different functions, but few of them here to discuss, like support the body, protein, internal organ, protect internal organ, provide for the movements, stores mineral reserves, like provide sites for blood cells formation. And I hope so you easily understand the a little bit idea about nervous system attachment with muscles. If any query or question, then must come in box and comment to us.